Hello my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Today video is about Google Cloud Platform Free Account. Unleashing the power of Google Cloud Platform, a free account guide. Key points of this video. Welcome to Google Cloud Platform Free Account. What is Google Cloud Platform? Why use Google Cloud Platform? Features of Google Cloud Platform. Getting started with Google Cloud Platform Free Account. Use cases for Google Cloud Platform Free Account. Tips for maximizing your Google Cloud Platform Free Account. Conclusion. Welcome to Google Cloud Platform Free Account. Welcome to the world of Google Cloud Platform, where you can unleash the power of cloud computing without breaking the bank. In this presentation, we will explore how you can take advantage of the free account offered by Google Cloud Platform to kickstart your journey into the cloud. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way we store, process, and analyze data. With Google Cloud Platform, you can leverage the same technology that powers Google's own services to build and deploy your own applications. Whether you are a small business looking to scale up or an individual developer looking to experiment with new technologies, Google Cloud Platform has something for everyone. What is Google Cloud Platform? Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is a suite of cloud computing services that allows individuals and businesses to build, deploy, and manage applications and services on Google's infrastructure. GCP provides access to a wide range of powerful tools and services, including compute engines, storage options, and networking capabilities. One of the biggest benefits of using GCP is scalability. With GCP, users can easily scale their resources up or down depending on their needs, without having to worry about managing physical hardware. GCP also offers robust security features, such as encryption and identity management, to help protect user data. Additionally, GCP is cost-effective, with flexible pricing options and pay-as-you-go billing. Why use Google Cloud Platform? Google Cloud Platform offers unparalleled scalability, allowing businesses to easily adjust their resources to meet changing demands. This means that companies can quickly scale up during peak periods or downsize during slower times, without having to worry about investing in expensive infrastructure that may go unused. In addition, Google Cloud Platform provides robust security features that help protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. With advanced encryption, multi-factor authentication, and continuous monitoring, businesses can rest assured that their data is safe and secure. Features of Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform offers a wide range of features to help businesses and individuals meet their computing needs. One of the key features is compute, which allows users to run virtual machines on demand, giving them the flexibility to scale up or down as needed. Another important feature is storage, which provides reliable and scalable storage options for data of all sizes. Additionally, Google Cloud Platform offers powerful networking capabilities, including load balancing and auto-scaling, to ensure that applications are always available and responsive. In addition to these core features, Google Cloud Platform also includes a number of specialized services designed to meet specific needs. For example, BigQuery is a fully managed, cloud-native data warehouse that enables users to analyze large datasets quickly and easily. Cloud Functions allows developers to build serverless applications that automatically scale in response to user demand. An App Engine provides a platform for building and deploying web applications without having to worry about infrastructure management. Getting started with Google Cloud Platform Free Account. To get started with Google Cloud Platform, the first step is to sign up for a free account. This can be done by visiting the GCP website and creating an account using your email address. Once you have signed up, you will have access to a range of services and tools that can help you build and deploy applications in the cloud. Some of the services included in the free account are Compute Engine, App Engine, Cloud Storage, and BigQuery. These services can be used to run virtual machines, store and retrieve data, and analyze large datasets. Getting started with these services is easy and can be done through the GCP console or by using the command line interface. Use cases for Google Cloud Platform Free Account. One use case for Google Cloud Platform Free Account is for data analysis. Businesses and individuals can use the platform to store large amounts of data and perform complex analysis on it. This can help businesses make better decisions and gain valuable insights into their operations. Another use case is for website hosting. Google Cloud Platform offers a reliable and scalable infrastructure for hosting websites, which can be especially beneficial for businesses experiencing high traffic volumes. Additionally, the platform offers tools for optimizing website performance and improving user experience. Tips for maximizing your Google Cloud Platform free account. Optimizing costs is key to maximizing the benefits of your Google Cloud Platform free account. Take advantage of Google's pricing calculator to estimate costs and optimize your usage accordingly. Leverage free trial credits to test out different services and features before committing to a paid plan. This can help you determine which services are most valuable to your business needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that Google Cloud Platform offers a wide range of benefits for businesses and individuals alike. From its scalability and security to its cost-effectiveness and powerful features, Google Cloud Platform is a top choice for those looking to streamline their operations and improve their bottom line. By signing up for a free account, you can get started with Google Cloud Platform today and see the benefits for yourself. Whether you are looking to store data, run applications, or manage your network, Google Cloud Platform has everything you need to succeed in today's fast-paced digital landscape.